Hey everybody, I'm the hiking chef and this is Cuyamaca Peak. So I am stepping away from the Cuyamaca campground. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Cuyamaca. It looks like it's gonna be pavement all the way up to the top, but I believe on the way down, it's like a trail. It's pretty much a loop that I'll be doing back to the car, but there's lots of little side trails and I've never been over here, but I've heard nothing but wonderful things. And so far, I'm really impressed. Beautiful out, you guys. It's a little hot. There's Stonewall Peak right here in the background, and that looks gorgeous up there. Absolutely amazing. I would love to do that hike, so stay tuned for that. But right now, I'm on this fire road lookout, and it's going to be about a 7.7 mile hike to the peak and back to the car. So I really want to get started. So let's go check it out. I just got my first glimpse of Cuyamaca Peak right there. This whole area was burned down in a fire in 2003. So not too many trees up here, but really gorgeous, you guys. I'm super excited to get up there. Yeah, so I have about a mile left, maybe a mile and a half to get to the peak, and I just left an area called Fern Flat. I am in an area where there's a lot more pine trees, looks like newer growth, so it's getting better. I'm still on this paved road, so I'm really looking forward to getting to the top of the peak. What a bummer. I thought I was almost there, came around the corner and saw a pretty steep summit climb. I just have to keep telling myself, you're almost there, you're almost there. Let's go, you guys, let's go. I made it to the top of Cuyamaca Peak. It was a little bit more difficult than I thought. Beautiful view though. Let's check it out. that was Cuyamaca Peak. A little drone footage for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Really excited to see the rest of the trail, so let's get going. Okay, so Cuyamaca Peak. I do believe I am pronouncing that right. It was a little bit windy, and it was pretty hot coming up here. It looks like there's smoke in the distance. I don't know if you guys noticed that. I think it's from like a riverside fire that's kind of floating over here. So not much of a view today, but still really beautiful. Like I said, I'm really excited to see the rest of this trail. I'm gonna be going down a different route that I came up, and I heard it's a lot more scenic too than that paved road. There's a turnoff coming up here. We're gonna go left when we hit that turnoff. I'll show you guys here in a little bit. All right, so the turnoff is coming up. It's really narrow and easy to miss. It's right here. This is a tongue twister, but I'm leaving Lookout Fire Road onto Conejos Trail to Azalea Fire Road, back to Cuyamaca State Park campsite. Whoa, that's like a lot to remember for me. I don't know. Those words are hard to say. So this is a really nice trail.
Allow me to introduce myself. Who knows what dastardly crime he might perpetrate next?
He's a very clever arch criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of suicidal mania.
Beautiful. It smells great back here. Pause. Beautiful trees, different types of pine trees. Really rad. Wow, so far this trail is really beautiful. It's nice and dense, single track trail. It's like a really just dense forested area with a lot of fern and pine trees. It's really awesome. It's really actually making up for that fire road. So there's a few things that come to my attention going down this trail. It's really, really pretty. The ground turned almost like a red clay, which is really nice to walk on. It's a lot more dense and forested. There's different types of manzanita bushes with berries blooming, blueberry bushes, and also a lot of either fox or bobcat scat all along the trail, which is really neat. It's really natural out here. And the more I go on this trail, the closer and the further I get on this trail, the closer I get to Cuyamaca Lake, which is really rad. Really good view. So I highly recommend this trail, you guys. It's so much better than that fire road. It's just like you're on this red clay trail with these bright green ferns just along the border of the trail. It's really rad, really pretty. I haven't really been on a trail that's like that before, where it's bright red with these bright green ferns along the edge. All the time. My positive perspective kind of changed on this trail. It's probably like 86 degrees out right now, and this trail is super dry and rocky, like really rocky, and it's just difficult to navigate your way down because your ankles kind of move all over the place, my knee moves all over the place, and it's just takes a lot of strength and energy to get down a rocky trail like this. So just hopped on Azalea Glen Trail, 1.4 miles back to the car. I'm surprised. I've seen a couple people on this trail. I thought I was the only crazy one for how hot it is out, but it's good. It's good exercise. 1.4 miles to the car. Let's go, baby.
I've been all the time. All the time. I've been all the time. All the time.
I'm hiking along the trail and I found about 7 or 8 of these like holes in this rock. I believe it was made by indigenous people, almost like a mortar and pestle when they would grind up spices and seasonings and things for cooking. So I believe that's what this is. If I'm right or wrong, please leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks so much, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. It got really hot and really smoky out. I'm gonna head back home. I did a total of 7.5 miles with about 2,000 feet elevation gain. It was a beautiful day. And please remember, this is out here for everybody. It's made from God for everybody to enjoy. And please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more hiking and cooking outdoors. You're gonna get alerts every week when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next episode.